I like the waffle maker.
Which of the waffle?
That one.
This one.
Yes, to the end.
5,900.
You know what? Last year I come on at 4,995.
Oh, my mistake.
Huh?
Okay.
Yes, that's why I come back.
Sorry.
That's it.
No gift wrapping.
Oh yes, I need to wrap it. My pixie. I don't have words to express. I'm glad that you're my pixie, and I'm glad that you make it easy for me to shop for you. I hope you enjoy this gift and big up yourself. Yes, Kali. Come on, just because I'm buying your gift, you must overlock. But I'm glad that I got your gift for you. I'm going home now. And I'll see you on Pixie Day with your presents. Hey Ruth, I'm so excited. Today is Pixie Day. I'm going to work right now. I got my Pixie's gift. Yeah. I'm wearing red today. Well, my shoe's kind of dirty. Should I wipe it off? But I was too lazy and I was rushing to come out because I should reach work 7 and now it's 6:50. Yeah, I'm gonna put on some lipstick in the car when I get a ride. And the boy's mom feel like say Ashima have, which y'all know who I have already. To feel like say, yes? I want me to take some pictures. In her mind, she feel like say Ashima have a jar. Yes, guys, you don't know who I have already. I should feel like say she. Yeah, why they get more?
Y'all know that it's me already.
No, it's not you.
Whatever.
Oh God, me sorry for bursting your bubbles. Poor thing. She look good though, guys. She come out. Wow. So, the lady I just show. And if you're seeing this, I can't bother with you. I just can't bother. Can't bother with you. Who tell us some of you? You know, like them pitney there, where you, the pitney there where you Should they feel like say I have something for them, you know, as so she stay. Yeah, how hard is it to hold it? I'm not holding anything.
I'm taking a picture and don't video me.
These are the gifts so far.
Some of the gifts.
Yeah, so far, some of the gifts.
Early bird gifts.
Yeah, the ones come early like me, you know. Record me assign this. Why are you on the table?
Because I am Santa Claus.
You're Santa? Who want this present? Who want this present? Let me know if you want boys mom as a present. So this is
Picture?
everything. Oh, I'm not take the picture yet. Yeah. What's your this type?
Extra games.
Yeah. Ooh. Alright. Guys, talk the truth. Talk truth. This isn't the prettiest gift. This is the prettiest gift. Which prettiest purse is not yours? This is the prettiest gift. So I'm gonna take off this. Can't got too much. I did too much.
Let me think.
Like, oh, it's not yours. I did too much. And look at this. Watch it, guys. Look at this. I put this pan. I don't feel like I'm lying. What am I feeling? The fear part. Yeah, but them something there. You know what? With them paper there, but you put it back in a scan and bag if you have me.
One of me take is the pretty. Yes, it too.
Prettiest paper.
Yes, with the over there.
Why that little cheap self? What you guilty one over here, so. Should I like curiosity? Trouble me, trouble still. Your paper don't look the best around here. Mine look the best. You see the shiny something? First of all, it's not even paper. It's plastic, baby. Yeah. No, I like the plastic one. You didn't see the sparkling? Oh, let me take a picture. We just done eat. Smell is full. This lady's hungry. Milk? Yes, some milk. You must have a good Jacob and well. Sure. We can't wait, guys. Like, we have one more hour, right? Right? 1 hour, right? Right? Wash face for your lipstick the on your chin. You see it? I'm recording everyone. She was like, ready? Ready, Bobby? Fixie. I don't need to fix up, guys, because I'm always cute. I'm always ready for the camera. I have a selfie. Oh my God. Why? You know long with the hair now, customer? As soon as we're ready. And actually, Avan. But
it was darker.
No, listen to me. It's too she Avan. No, it's the lighter one she put on with the darker one and it bring out the darkness. Yes.
Whatever I'm saying is the shade that you have.
Two of them together.
This shade is better.
The darker one she had on this morning and I put a lighter one with it. Yes. No, because you see the wrong thing. I'm correct here. Look how she look. Mowgli. Go for the lips glass. I look like some prisoner. You know the phones. Look, Marga. I am doing something to you.
Miss French.
All this.
So yeah,
All the
video me
camera.
up.
Because you're gonna be my pixie, I want my pixie to look like somebody. Oh, this one? Are you out me?
Yeah, baby.
Oh my god. Feel like you do with teeth. Rub up. Oh, your mouth look cute. That look better now without the regular one. Come like that color you fit everybody. Come fix up. When I wash my face, what cute though? When I need to wash face.
We are here as fellow workers as we participate in this festive season. First time Pixie, and I hope everyone who gives, they really do appreciate whatever they ask for. And I just want to say I wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas when it comes, and the peace of God be with each one of us, and that when this festive season we all are still here, that we can enjoy the new year as it comes. Alright, so as we first gentlemen before ladies, so at this time my Pitsy from way out, right, she where she wants, and when she put it in the group, I popped up and I said, I wonder where she got pleasure. Right, but true we know no say it's a pressure.
Not pleasure,
It's
pressure.
So today my Pitsy is Miss McClimate. And Miss Mac, from my heart to your heart, I hope whatever you're going to pleasure and pressure will suit you well.
I want to say a pleasant thank you, and I do appreciate whatever is in it, and I enjoy and pleasure whatever.
It's not good, man.
You put up on Who is next?
Who's next?
Oh, Miss Pierce.
Alright.
Yes. Miss French, you go first, I'll go next.
Okay, this is my gift to my Pixie, who is Mr. Blair. I hope you enjoy what is inside. I know you pick what is inside, but I put a little extra.
Okay.
Yes, so this is from my heart to yours. And have yourself a Merry Christmas.
Okay. Thank you very much, darling. Thank you very much. Me didn't know say I got to have a feelings.
You!
You give me a problem, but it actually works out in my favor.
Yes, we're next.
Yes, Miss French, your time.
No, you will have me.
That is not yours.
Right.
Oh.
No. I said that.
She get my name. You're not ready to pay. Okay. Go ahead.
This gift is for you. I hope you will enjoy it, and when you look in the mirror, you see something beautiful.
Bless you.
Thank
Thank you. Bless you. Now guess what? I have just said, but I can't see the whole entire body, so one can do all of the body.
That's a great gift. Okay.
So I do last minute.
Oh.
Amila? Yeah, because on your video.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
No, see me.
Miss Mark, is
Miss
next.
Mark, Miss Mark.
Watch
What
out.
did I say?
Miss Pierce.
Yes.
On behalf
Of myself.
of myself,
And I.
and the staff, Yes, on the start. Yes, I did pleasure in adding you this present, and it is from my heart to your heart. And I hope whatever you're going to cook on the hot plate, I hope you cook delicious and on yourself. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh God, you don't make me not wait.
Alright,
Thank you. Smith,
Hi.
this is yours. Enjoy, and you have a blessed Christmas. I know what is in there, you're going to use it well because guess what? You know about the ear.
Hot things that ruin.
Your time now.
Your time.
No, stick up the one.
Come America.
It's you.
And you.
She disgusting. No, it could never be she. It's me.
My pixie Miss Lakeisha Sweat. You asked for this and I bought it for you. I hope you enjoy it. I know you will because you asked for it. I know that you didn't know that I am your pixie. No. Yes.
I thought it was this friend.
Yeah. And I'm here rapping this morning.
Are you rapping?
Yes.
Oh.
So rapping.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Oh. Yes, okay, good.
Huh?
You know who was everybody?
No. Unfortunately.
Go.
Unfortunately. She knew she was trying to get to me. Remember the day when I swore? I went in there just because I wanted it easier to get. So to my pixie, there you go. Thank you. I'm so happy that I got you.
Very much.
If you're watching this after the pixie review, that means my prediction was right and the Boo is my pixie. And also she had tried play it off like 7 likes and she had my pixie, but I know that she had my pixie. Yeah, because we already matched it out and they say either she or Stacey and my pixie. Alright? So either she or Stacey and then the way all them they are behave, like she keep on saying she African mad, and make it their mad. And Stace when he was asking Blair said he want an earbud, and they see that in the video, right? And Blair said he want an earbud, and she was like, so when I'm telling the pixie pixie no, and something like that, but I don't know. So anyway, really confirm and say really they give it I'm a pixie when she come with the gift and the gift shape like what you want, and then up on Stace when he want, and I say she come and give the stairs. So you know, so I take you know, she tried later. I say, I know she, but when I get no. I already know who's everybody fixing, but I was never sure who was mine. But just you know, so I just want to know either she or Stacey. And today, we are in their behavior, I kind of figure it out, and then today kind of confirm it when you see the different. So if you see this, then you know, so my prediction was right.
You know how many knows that? Are you give it? I'm never sure.
Really?
What did you say?
Yeah.
When you say you collect your own because I mean Miss Macaroon have money.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Very
So she don't mind the money.
And I'm happy.
New Year.
When it comes.
This is great.
New Year, so
Yes.
very Christmas.
I love it.
And you am here to give on yourself.
Great. If I keep a secret, I'm gonna tell Miss Smith. Trust me, try, come on. She lie. me try. Yes. She good.
If you ask somebody, man. If you ask somebody, you know. And nobody not to tell nobody. Because it's French.
Actually, she happy, see. Suppose I'm not eating there. Suppose I'm not eating there. Where said you want again? Sandwich maker? Eh? Sandwich maker, right?
You put my change in there?
Alright guys, we change. No, me going to the, no change the left. $4,995, right? $5 one? Shop it for $250.
This is just finish. Carry me come and carry me grandma's go show her me gift.
Of course. Yeah, the lady wrap it in our store.
I'm not really expect
Yeah.
well because she keep on and say.
Yeah.
That was a good. I'm glad saying a Blair, but the way she exaggerate from Blair and exaggerate from Pierce. Said, I'm glad I didn't have it now. But she not really too exaggerate.
When she said to me, Mr. Girl, I can't keep secret. You know, the Buddha tell you.
And you turn your head.
Me give Mr. Blair mixed feelings.
Yeah.
With it. So him not know. Him feels like me, but he not
No.
know.
But if you hear when say me, no, but
so he never sure.
Yeah.
I mean, give him hints.
Alright guys, so that's it for Pixie. We will see you next year. Next year at $10,000. Yeah, we have to save it for the year. So every month.
Because money gone up.
Money gone up. Actually.
As in, the
Yeah,
something
that's
money gone up. The value of money gone up now. Well, we
Yes.
can get to 5,000
So hopefully next year
we'll get to 5.
we have a good piece of money for buy Pixie's gift, and I want to join the Pixie again. It's exciting. Like if I get one gift, I get something.
My
at
input
least.
is, although we already know what we wanted as gifts, it felt good.
Yeah, but you know, so this is what you want.
Yes.
It felt good getting it
Yes.
from someone else.
Actually.